All right, so making pesto is simple and quick. Here's a basic recipe. So for the ingredients, you're gonna need 2 cups of basil leaves, fresh basil leaves that are packed, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, half a cup of pine nuts or walnut as an alternative, 2-3 cloves of garlic, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, okay? So these are the instructions. Prepare the ingredients. So first of all, wash and dry the basil leaves. Peel the garlic cloves, okay? Number 2, blend it in a food processor or a blender, okay? Combine the basil, the Parmesan cheese, the pine nuts, and the garlic, and basically pulse a few times to chop everything finely, okay? Number 3, add oil. With the blender or food processor running, okay, slowly drizzle the olive oil. Continue to blend until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Number 4, season it, okay? Taste the pesto and add salt and pepper as needed. And then you blend it again to mix. Number 5, you store it. So transfer the pesto into an airtight container, okay? You can refrigerate it for up to a week, but for longer storage, freeze the pesto in ice cube trays and transfer the cubes to a freezer bag, all right? So pesto is a great way. It's a great way to enhance your pasta, your sandwiches, or as a dip or for bread.